Okay, here's a quick look at the emini S&P through the eyes of emini day trader for Wednesday, November the 17th, 2010. We had mentioned at the close of the video yesterday that we were looking in the 81 area as resistance. By the way, these are market profiles. This is the profile from yesterday and this profile from today. One in the middle, of course, here is from the overnight session. So you can see the overnight session hit 81 right on the dot, and then it hit 82 in the regular trading hours. So we still believe the sellers on an intraday basis, i.e. swing trade, are in control. And our resistance area now is a little bit higher up, from about 83 to approximately 85. Right in about here is our new resistance area. So that's the immediate resistance area, and should the market get above that, then obviously it's got some room to move, and the 1190-91 area would be the next area of resistance up in here after that. On the downside, our immediate support is around 1174. Should the market get down into that area, that would be likely support in around this area here. So that's really what we're looking at right now. Market held true to form today, with the bears still dominating, and the resistance holding. So nothing new. Thing is, the market's condition is still in place to head lower, unless, of course, we have some surprise news tomorrow. Tomorrow there will, of course, on Thursday, is the initial claims numbers for employment will be released, and then at 10 o'clock we also have the LEI, leading economic indicators, in the Philly Fed, and that has the potential, though all of that news has the potential to move the market. So we'll have to obviously wait and see what happens, or see how the market receives the news at that time. So that's really what we're looking at from today, and going into tomorrow. Here's the market profiles from just the regular trading hours only, so you can see how we have sold off this week. Here is our chart from today using our software, identifying some trades. You can see we had a long trade there, a long trade here, and we had two short trades here and here, and that was all we had today. All of the trades were taken except this one, because it was a long trade in a neutral filter in an intraday down auction. So this is our first trade, this is our second trade, and this is our third trade here. We tried to get short right here. As you can see, we did not get filled there. We did get filled here, and so we had some profit on that third trade, not a lot, but you can see that it did come down here after it was filled. The short trade was actually, you can see even though the arrow is pointing here, the actual entry is right up here where the dashed line is. Short right here, the market came down immediately, hovered for a bit, and then had another leg down. So able to be nicely profitable on that as the market reached both our first and second objective. This other trade here, you can see the long trade. Here's our dashed arrow to get in. We're entered here. It moved for us a point and then against us a point, so we ended up with a break even on that particular trade. So just the three trades today. Obviously a very quiet day. The market only had an 8.5 point range, and so we are really thinking that the market is likely to get ready to make a move here again pretty soon. So as early as overnight, or when the news is released in the morning. So bear that in mind. Should the market move above 85 and hold, it's likely to have some follow through after that. So, but in the meantime, we're still looking at the 83 to 85 area as a good resistance. Potential support around 74. Obviously, if that gets taken out, we're due for another leg down, and the next level would be around 67 or so. So that's a look at the market through the eyes of emini day trader. If you got any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting a hold of us. Reach us at info@eminidaytrader.com. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.